I was in the mood for an orange poppy cake on this day, and whilst I was making it, our help said she wanted one, so I figured let me add for my sister and let me add for my bestie's mom. That way we can all have cake. And then, funny thing is, once I finished baking this cake, I was no longer in the mood for cake. So I was like, I'll have a slice tomorrow with breakfast. And breakfast came, I never had a slice, and the cake ended without me having a slice. Good morning from an extremely frizzy haired girl. I'm so excited. I feel like a small child heading to a party. Today is my first full weekend of no responsibilities. By no responsibilities I mean work-wise. I might edit a video during the weekend, I might film a video, but I have zero obligations whatsoever. And today I get to pick up something I haven't done. One, we're going horse riding, and I haven't gone horse riding in 4 years. And then probably going swimming after, which I haven't done since 2020. Will I drown? I don't know. Can you forget how to swim? I don't think so. But I'm so happy. I'm so excited. And I'm hoping it's going to be a fun-filled weekend. That way, my full weekend of zero baking, zero responsibilities, except for my dogs and myself, is fun. I have zero regrets whatsoever. But yeah, I don't know. I might pick up my camera, I might not. This week I've barely filmed, but we'll see. See ya in Limuru.
What are your last words?
I have none. Take care of my baby.
Ona venye umekunja uso. Good morning. It's Saturday. Honestly, I thought I would, considering how much of a good week I've had, I thought I would film much more. But turns out, I'm not the people who pick up their phones or cameras to record when they're having fun. It's not, turns out it is who I am. I feel like I prefer being in the present moment as opposed to being on my phone a lot. But anyways, I think this week I filmed, probably filmed the least last week. But I mentioned on Thursday that I'm going swimming and horse riding. And let me tell you, I don't know, did I say I'll either turn into a fish or drown? Firstly, horse riding was so much fun, and yeah, I'm going to pick it up again as a hobby, as expensive as it might be. It's a really fun hobby. Maybe to do it once in a while. Yeah, instead of waiting again 4 years to do it again and let me tell you, I'm so sore from it. And then to make it worse, immediately after we went for swimming, and after not swimming for 2 years, my shoulders. Yesterday I couldn't even do this of how sore I was, but it's all good. I am happy. Yesterday I went for lunch with my friend, and as usual, I forgot to film. But today is Saturday, the first Saturday where I know I have zero obligations whatsoever, orders wise. So I know today I can just film. I know tomorrow I can film. No, tomorrow I can't film. But anyway, my plan for the day is hopefully I want to film 2 videos. Hopefully, would I rather be a home baker or have a physical store? And everything I'd do different if I was to reopen my bakery. I feel unprepared because usually, I don't know, did I mention in any of my videos, I usually have my points written down way beforehand. I don't create anymore in the moment. I technically script out, plan my content in advance, except these vlogs. These sit down videos, I try to plan them as much as possible. That way, when I'm sharing the content, I feel confident, and as my friend Jack mentioned, I feel I seem more happier. And I realize it's because when I've planned it ahead, I don't have to think while filming. So I'm going to give myself an hour, because I don't think, hopefully, I need to think too much about my answer for would I rather a home bakery or a physical store. I don't know. I already know my answer, the pros and cons of each side. Basically, that's what my video is going to be about. And then everything I do different, I also think I already have the points, but I'm going to give myself an hour to go through them and then decide, figure out the filming part. And then after that, I'm hopefully going to do my hair, because tomorrow is a fun day. I genuinely, wholeheartedly want to go for Sanel's concert, and there is nothing in this world other than God who's going to stop me from going for that concert. I have prayed my prayers out that I am going for that concert. And if you saw my head on Wednesday, my hair is so crusty, so dusty, to the point where I think I have sworn off going to salons. The braids I had was firstly so painful even after the 4th week. My scalp, even when I do the bun, because I really like having my hair up in a bun, and when I do the bun, my hair, my scalp was just so sensitive. I wouldn't even say sensitive. It felt like my hair was being tagged so much, to the point where I could only be comfortable if I've let my hair down, or I've done a very horrible loose bun. I could not wear a hairband. I was just uncomfortable 90% of the time. And then when I took out the braids, the parts where I was saying I was feeling pain, when I took off the braids, it would come out with chunks of my hair, and that's so sad. I know I mentioned, if you know me personally, you know how often I say I want to get a haircut, but consent. I want to get a haircut. I don't want my hair cut by someone else without my consent. So and then they also burnt my hair blow drying it. So now my hair is just a mess. It's frizzy, it's crunchy. I have crunchy hair, and with how much hair I have, it just feels bad, especially when I let my hair out. And I like having my hair like open when my fro is out, having it open, or like doing my big bun. But I can't do the big bun because it's so crusty. Like the hair just feels like I don't know, like steel wool. I don't know. I know there's a thing I'm thinking, like a loofah. It feels like a loofah. So I can't even do a bun, but I'm hoping I can recover my hair before, like, and this is I think my last straw with salons. Either I'll go back to salons obviously, or I'll just go to a salon and get a haircut, like for sure. I am excited for whatever the future holds. As I said, I'll try to do more things that I'm eager about, like reading. I like reading. I'm actually those people who are very fast readers, but this book, this is a, how many page book? 608, is it? No. Yeah, it's this is another book. It's a 588 page book, and it's taken me a full year to read 480. Like, I'm just 100 pages to finish, and the year is ending while I'm still reading this. I bought this book. Did I write the date? No. I bought this book end of last year, I'm sure. Like sometime December or earlier maybe November, December last year. And we're heading into November and I'm still reading the same book. And it's not even a boring book. It's actually very, very interesting. But it's taking me too long to finish a book. And I'm those people who could literally read this book in a day. Like, I can just sit down and read the whole book. Yeah, so those are the things I want to go back to doing. Like, instead of just being alive and not enjoying life, that's the things I want to do. Finally done filming my videos. It's currently 3 p.m. I thought I'd do 2 videos, but yay me, I've done 3 videos, and which is a good thing. I feel like, and I told this to Pfizer, I will be filming on days that I'm feeling good, because now 3 videos in one day means I have 3 weeks of content without counting my potential weekly vlogs, which is a good thing for me, because it means today is the, what day of the week is it? 22nd. It means I have a video for 27th, 3rd and 10th of November. So now I just have to think of 2 more videos for November and now December content. And oh wait, I already have 1 video planned, so I just need, not planned, filmed. So I have 4 videos filmed without counting the vlogs, and I have 2 more videos I've prepared for but I've not, oh actually 3 prepared for but I've not filmed. So I need to plan out another day to film more content, but at least with that in mind, I know until like mid-November I don't have to film. But if I do have another like day where I'm filming, I'm feeling like I need to film, I want to film, at least now I know I'll be filming in advance for future content, or who knows, maybe I'll get to a point where I want to do more than 2 videos a week, because I'm also trying my best not to put a limit to myself, like ensure every week I have 2 videos or ensure every week I have a video. I'm trying to like do things that are making my soul happy. That way I don't burn out from overexerting myself. So yeah, I'm very proud of myself for having filmed 3 videos. Probably by the time you're watching this video, 2 of those videos might be up,
or one or two of the videos will be up by the time you're watching this vlog that I'm filming. So until then, I guess I'll see ya. Bye.